Everybody in life has storms in their lives. Some of these storms may last a few hours, a few minutes, a few weeks, and there might be damage that happens during these storms. But in the end, the sun does come out and better days will be ahead of you. But my challenge for you to right now is that you might know someone that is in a storm. I'd love for you to be the light for them, the sun for them, the energy for them, to help them realize that it's going to be okay. You will be okay. Life does have storms, and we can't predict the storms. But the one thing we do know is that the sun will come out again.